sounds terrible. Okay.
Oh yeah!
And then this is where Jordan will put guess who's back. And that'll be that on my screen.
You're right. I forgot I have that one.
Wow, you went from the worst song of all time to the best. Wow. Dude. Alright, the money.
I forgot about those.
Jimmy should have used those every time he leaves.
Like an outro.
That's the money. These are innocent people. I want you to know that. They're innocent.
I should have.
You know that I hate you. I just wanna kill. You know I cannot, baby girl. Listen, alright? It is. Alright. It's the Ray Rice version.
Hey, are we actually seeing DJ Pauly D in June, or was Jimmy like joking about that?
I don't
I think
know.
he's actually down, no key.
I think he's down, but he's like not making any plans about it. I feel like he's waiting for me to be
Dave,
like,
you see
alright,
that?
I'll fucking buy it.
Oh shit!